Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel One Day Studies. So today we are going to study about India's top 10 famous monuments. Top 10 monuments of India famous. So these are their pictures. So we are going to know about their histories and monuments and where they are located and some important facts about them. Okay. First, list of 10 monuments in India. First, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal, situated in Agra. Its location, Agra. The aerial beauty of this monument has left its mark all over the world. So much so that it now stands at the first place in the list of the 7 wonders of the world. Made of white marbles. Taj Mahal was made of white marbles. This site has been marked as UNESCO World Heritage Site. So I thought that it's clear about Taj Mahal. Now we are going to our next question. It's Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is situated in Jaipur. Its location is Jaipur. Hawa Mahal is the finest piece of architecture of the Rajputana culture. It stands proud as its stupendous blend of beauty and intelligence, known as the Palace of Winds. Palace of Winds मतलब हवा में हवा. इसमें बहुत सारी खिड़कियां, इसमें बहुत सारी हवा आती है. This amazing structure has a total number of 953 windows in it. If a house or if anything have 953 windows in it, so there is obviously wind come very fast. Okay, our next mission is third Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple is situated in Delhi. Location Delhi. Lotus Temple is the protector of the Baha'i faith, which believes in the spiritual unity of the entire mankind. 8 houses of worship have been built around the world for the people of all religions to sit together in meditation, and Lotus Temple is one of them. Okay, our next, Mysore Palace. Mysore Palace is situated in Karnataka. Location Karnataka. It took almost 15 years to build this phenomenal structure for the Maharaja of Mysore. It doesn't take 15 months or 15 days or 15 weeks. It takes 15 years. इसे बनाने में 15 years लगे. It's the highlight point you have to notice, I thought. Maharaja of Mysore, also known as Amba Vilas. It's also known as Amba Vilas. It is a 3-story structure with arched square towers enclosed by domes. The original structure was accidentally burnt in 1897. Therefore, it was rebuilt by the 24th Wadiyar king in the year 1912. Next, Sanchi Stupa. Location, Madhya Pradesh. Sanchi Stupa is situated in Madhya Pradesh. The Mauryan Emperor Ashoka founded the stupas at Sanchi in the honor of Lord Buddha. These stupas have been deemed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. These stupas has been deemed as the World Heritage Sites by UNESCO. Next, 6. Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is situated in Delhi. Location Delhi. It is the highest stone tower in India. Means very tallest, सबसे बड़ा पत्थरों का टावर है ये इंडिया में. Started by Qutbuddin Aibak. This tall monument was completed by his son-in-law, Shamsud bin Iltutmish. Made up of red sandstone. Qutub Minar is made up of red sandstone. You have to highlight this point, red sandstone. And marble. It stands a height of 72.5 meters. Oh my God! It stands at a height of 72.5 meters. You have also note down it. It's a very highlighted point. 7th, Victoria Memorial. Victoria Memorial situated in Kolkata, location Kolkata. A unique amalgamation of European architecture and Mughal motifs. It is one of the most spectacular monuments of India, spreading across 64 acres. It is domed structure made up of white marble. Victoria Island also made up of white marble. Gateway of India, 8th. It's situated in Mumbai. Gateway of India is situated in Mumbai. Location, Mumbai. Both are same, but for some people I am saying 2 times. Situated or location. Located in the richest city of India. This splendid architecture was built to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary. It was designed by a British architect in Indo-Saracenic style. Okay, now next. 9th, Charminar. Location, Hyderabad. Charminar is situated in Hyderabad. It was built in the year Charminar. It was built in the year 1591 by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah. You have to note down this point. It was built in the year 1591 by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah. Because it's a highlighted point. I thought that. When the city was hit by epidemic, he built this monument to appease the evil forces haunting his new city. Now our last and least, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Location, Mumbai. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus situated in Mumbai. This massive structure is among the 32 World Heritage Sites in India. As listed out by UNESCO, it was built in year 1887 to commemorate the Golden Jubilee of Queen Victoria. You have to note down this point also. It was built in the year 1887 to commemorate the Golden Jubilee of Queen Victoria. It functions as the headquarters of the Central Railways and is also the busiest railway station in India. Thank you, friends. Okay. First, if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel. If you are not new, so like the videos. But if you are new also, like the videos and ask your doubts in the comment option. Okay. Now, thank you. Once again, if you are new, subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you are not new, like our YouTube channel. And if you are new, also like our YouTube channel. And ask your doubts. Please ask your doubts in comment section. Okay, bye.